moved over to this area. Yeah, we changed the whole cabin. Right now, Jakey and Max are together. They have to go to the grocery store. Hey, what are you doing? And Sam spent the night over there, giving the old man a rest. But he did not want to leave his little puppies. He did not want to leave. So I put him back in there this morning. And there's Miss Daisy. Hi! Come on, let's go. Oh, okay, gotta move that. Come on, sweetheart, let's go. She says, woohoo, woohoo, woohoo. Oh, Lizzie. She says, I have found somebody that's more of a scaredy cat than I am. Oh, now. Joe, you're her same color. He says, I know, I think I really like her. I think I really like her. She's hot. She just got out of her... Oh, Lizzie! For heaven's sakes. What is she doing? She says, I don't know. We just play. We're okay. We're okay. Yes. Come on, let's go, let's go. Oh, Lizzie, you're a bad girl. Oh. She says, I'm just telling... All right, we're not all ganging up. We're not doing that. No. Oh, gentle. Very gentle. He says, I just like touching her. I do. I like touching her. I mean, I can't help it. And their mouths are being very gentle. It's just that she... Oh, Lizzie is going to hum? Oh, my God. Lizzie. Don't you worry about who's in charge and what the pecking order is here, young lady. All right, I'm just going to leave the two of you out. Oh, and maybe Aaron. All right. P and Ricky. Aaron, get off of her. P, come. P. Yeah, you can't leave her alone. Then you know what? We're going out. In. Because Lizzie is only acting this... Lizzie. That is enough. She is only doing that because she's got her brothers around her. So brothers, come on. P, Ricky, Aaron, you don't need to do that either. And she says, I am very scared of that Sam guy. Counting on my pack to save me. Oh my Lord, get off of her. This is because the pack dynamics changed and they all want to figure out who's at the bottom. And poor Miss Daisy's been assigned a position. I can't believe you, Lizzie. She says, I'm... Uh-oh. Good girl. What? Jake is... Wait a minute, I live indoors. I know. Today, you're going to live out there. So I can do some errands and everybody can be... I'd put you in with them, but you're almost ready to go home. So that would not be a good thing. Okay.